Once your PCB layout is finalized and there are no design errors or warnings, it's time to generate your final manufacturing files, including Gerber, drill files, PDFs, and component placement files. Let's see how to export Gerber and other production files in KiCad. To begin, go to File and click on Plot or click the plot icon on the right-hand toolbar. This opens the plot dialog box, where you can generate your Gerber files. First, select the output location for your Gerber files. Click Browse, create a new folder named Gerbers and select it. Now choose the layers to include, such as top copper, bottom copper, and top solder paste. Deselect any unused layers such as bottom silkscreen or bottom paste, if your board has components only on the top side. Then select top silkscreen, top solder mask, bottom solder mask, user drawings for fabrication details, and edge cuts for the board outline. Finally, select other layers that you want to include in your Gerber. On the right-hand side, ensure Edge Cuts is selected under Plot on all layers, so the board outline appears on every Gerber layer. Under General Options, enable these checkboxes. Subtract the solder mask from the silkscreen. Indicate DNP on fabrication layers. Use the drill/place the file origin. Check zone fills before plotting. Enable sketch pads on fabrication layers and include the pad number if needed. Enable the option Use ProTel filename extensions, and if your manufacturer supports it, you can also select Use Extended X2 format. Click Plot. KiCad now generates all the Gerber files and saves them in the selected folder. Next, click Generate Drill Files to create the drilling information. Set the output folder to the same Gerber directory. Format will be Excel. Enable Generate Map and select PostScript. Opt for PTH and non-PTH in the same file. Keep the origin as the drill/place file origin, units as inches since the board was designed in mils. Keep the zeros in the decimal format. If your design includes slots or oval holes, enable Use alternate drill mode for oval holes. Click Generate Drill File. Now check if the Gerber folder contains the drill and map files. Next, let's create PDF documentation for assembly. Select F.Fab and Edge Cuts. Choose PDF as the output format. Keep the Use drill/place file origin unchecked for proper alignment. Review other settings and uncheck options that are not needed. Choose a single document for the top and bottom layers, as we have components only on the top layer. Finally, click Plot to generate your assembly PDF. The PDF includes pad outlines, pad numbers, and DNP markings. Rename this file as assembly_top.pdf. For the fabrication drawing, keep the same options but select User Drawings and Edge Cuts. Click Plot to generate the fab details. Open the PDF and verify if all the details are represented properly. You can add top view text label using the Place Text tool so the fab house can identify the orientation. Rename the file as fabdetails.pdf. To download other production files, click on File and then Fabrication Outputs. Click on the component placement file. Select CSV format, and keep units in inches. Choose the directory to save the file, verify other options, and click Generate Position File. This file lists all components with X/Y coordinates, rotation, and side. Next, generate the IPCD356 netlist from the fabrication outputs. This file lists all the nets that help verify electrical connectivity after fabrication. Finally, copy your BOM into the same Gerber folder. You can also add the StackUp PDF if it is available. Verify the files, zip the entire folder, and send this zipped folder to your PCB manufacturer for production. Download our KiCad design guide to learn more. Follow us for more PCB content.